To download ClimaSG, the weather generator, we go to the uco.es webpage, the University of Córdoba webpage. We're gonna download the English version, click on Show in Folder. We will copy this file, download it to any folder in our hard drive. For instance, we're gonna put it in this CG that I have created, could have any name. And to run the program, we just double click on the exe file. Here, first of all, we select the weather station. First, by the country, we could write the letters SP, show us Spain, and then the weather station. For instance, if we want Córdoba, CO, click on that. We could start doing the generation of weather data. This database includes the ClimaWatt files, the ClimaWatt weather data, but in some situations we might have another station that is not included there. For instance, we could want to generate data for a station called Lobón. Excuse me, this is the country, Spain, and the weather station name is Lobón. We could copy the weather data from Excel. If we have, these are the average values of the different variables, and then we go to the table, then Control V, so we can copy here all the information required by the model. This is 38.85 and the longitude is minus 6.67. The altitude is 185, and then we click on Save. So we have added this station to the database that we have, and that is going to be in our hard drive. Click on Restart, so the program now will find in the database the new station. In Spain, if we click on LO, we'll see that now we have Lobón available. In this table, we could change the values of temperature of rainfall. This is intended for studies on climate change. For instance, we could change all the temperature for all months, adding 2 degrees to every month, or we could change differently the different months of the year. The same goes for rainfall. We're gonna keep it as it is. Here we select the number of years we want, for instance 30, and then we click here to generate the weather data. The program tells us that a file called lobonmodgin.csv, this is comma separated values, has been created. And the file includes for each day of the simulation of the generation, the date, the solar radiation, Tmax and Tmin, rainfall, wind speed, and vapor pressure. Click on OK. Now we could have a look at the ETO for that location, average temperature, rainfall for every week, the probability of frost in autumn or spring, etc. Then all the files that we have been created will be in the folder where we have put the exe file. To exit the program, we click here, and then we're done.